mutations summary. If we summarize that how to write the mutation at DNA, RNA or protein level, how we can summarize it, that mutations can be in the form of point mutations or they can be insertions or deletions. In case of point mutations, the mutation can be silent, it can be nonsense, it can be missense. In case of silent mutation, there is change in the DNA sequence, but there is no change in the protein sequence. While in case of missense mutation, there is a change at the DNA level, but there is also change at the protein level. In this case, one amino acid is substituted by another amino acid. In case of nonsense mutation, there is termination for the production of the polypeptide. Due to the mutation in the DNA sequence, the codon is converted into the stop codon. Due to the stop codon, there is a termination for the production of the polypeptides. In case of insertions or deletions, there is addition or loss of a nucleotide. Nucleotide can be one or more than one. As a result of insertion and deletion, the mutations they occur called as frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation are those mutations in which the sequence of the amino acid is changed. If we do the summary, to understand the mutation, just read one sentence. If we read this sentence, it is written as the big red dog ran out. So this is the normal sequence. If there is a missense mutation, that usually one nucleotide is changed to another. In this case, we see that E is changed by A. So when we read this sentence, it will become the big red dog ran out. Instead of a red, it become a red. So there is a little change in the meaning of the sentence, but even then we can understand that what would be the meaning of this sentence. In case of nonsense mutation because there is a termination for the production of the protein. In this case, we see that there is termination, the big red. Then nothing is that all the sentence has been deleted. Same is in case of production of the proteins or polypeptides, that once there is nonsense mutation, then there is no production of the protein. If there is frame shift, one base pair deletion, after the deletion of one base pair, in this case I is deleted. Once I is deleted, this I is deleted, all the sequence of the sentence is entirely changed. We could not understand that what is written. In case of frame shift, one base pair insertion, the big red dog, here is insertion of the O. We can read a little bit the sentence in the beginning, but afterwards we could not understand that what is written. Frame shift mutation, if there are 3 deletions, then we can read the big dog. So the red word has been deleted from here, that was here a red color. So in case of if there are 3 base pair deletion, the big, there is no red, actually it was here, has been deleted. And if there are mutation in the form of repeats, which are also called as triplet repeats, then the sentence will become the big. So these are called as repeats in the form of triplets. So these are all examples just to understand that what is the meaning of the mutation and how when there is a mutation in the sequence of the DNA, how the meaning or of the production of the protein is changed. Summary to understand the mutations. Point mutations affect the single site on the DNA sequence. There are many types of the point mutations. Most common types of the point mutations, they are silent mutation, missense mutation, nonsense mutation, deletion, insertion, frame shift. All these are examples of point mutation.